Hello, this is Engineer Mohamed from Arab team, and today we will be discussing the CONTEC 300GA ECG. So this device is an ECG. It prints on 80 centimeter papers. This is how we open. This is the size of it. It prints full 12 channels, but 3 channels per page. So, first thing we do, we set this back like this. This is how we put the paper. Close on it. That's it. Now it's ready. First thing we do is we press the power button. Long press. This is how we open the device. As you can see, it shows us our printing, the gain, the speed, and the filters used. How do we control all of these? Also, of course, this is F off and off. This is all of the leads. They are off because currently we are not attached any leads. And this is the BPM. If there is beat, it will be shown here. And this is our current battery level, which gives off an alarm if it's low. Okay, let's go over the buttons here. First thing, we have menu. This button is to change anything about the device. First thing we do, we can press new. New puts me to make a new patient. We also have system, like this. We move from here. This is how we press system. Backlight. This backlight means the touch screen, this screen, the light, it can turn off. If you want to make it off, it will turn off. And when we press menu again, it will open again. Power alarm, which gives off an alarm if the power is low on the device. Key voice is this voice. When I press anything, there is a noise. We can turn it off if you want. Language is to change the language if I like. Information input. This is to put the patient's information in the printing paper if you would like. You can make this on, for example, then you press set, move, then set again. Now it's on. USB mode. This is for transfer on USB, synchronous now. Then we press menu. Go to sample like this and press middle button. This shows the filters we have. We have AC filter, EMG filter, and DFT filter. DFT filter is set automatically. We can turn it on and off. I will show you how. AC filter we can modify if you want 50 or 60 Hz. EMG same thing, 25 or 35 Hz. Demo mode or not, show us beats. We can add demo mode now, like this. And pace, if the patient has pacemaker, we can make this on. Then we go back from menu. Go for print. Print mode, this can be changed from outside. You don't need to change it here, but you can change it here. You can set, and you can choose all you want. Auto strip, the automatic printing time, we set to 3. Gain set and speed set also all can be changed from outside better. QRS temporary print, if you want to print QRS you can. This is the options that you want in the printing paper. Case information print, you can print it on the paper if you want, on or off. Parameter print, the parameters that you set for the alarms, you can print on or off. Conclusion print is the conclusion if you want it on or off. And that's it. You press menu again. Now we go to analyze. This analyze makes me choose the rhythm lead if I would like. For example, I have set it on 2, I can make it 1, I can make it all of these leads, any of one of them. Rhythm lead is the lead that will be printed in the strip in a long line like this. This is our main lead. Premature percentage, you can change the premature percentage BPM percentage. So we make it 78 now, we can change it anything we want. This is the parameter that it can make alarm on. Pause time, currently set to 2000, you can change if you want. Go back to OK. Tachycardia alarm, set on 100. Brachycardia, set 100. That's it. We go menu again. Now we go to time. This is to change the time. You choose from here. If you press down and up, changes the month, as you see. If you go right, you can change the year like this. Go right again, change the time. Right to change the minutes. Right again to change the day. After all is done, press menu when you set the time. And you see time will be set accordingly. Archive, this shows us all of the data to be printed before. For example, this is an example, demo. All the data stored here. And you can choose to delete if you want. Okay, we go back to menu. Now let's show you how, oh, there is also about, so it says the service, the version and the board version. And that's it. Go to menu again. Now we're on demo mode. Let's see all of these buttons, what do they do now? We have mode, changes the printing mode, if you see here, set to manual, 2 sets of 6 lead, 3 sets of 4, 4 sets of 3, or 2 sets of 6 with the rhythm lead. +1 means the rhythm lead will be printed. Let's give an example of this one, for example. If you want to print this, you press on print over here. Now you see paper is getting printed. Our rhythm lead is in the bottom. It will print 2 for 6 rows. That's it. This is the conclusion that we accepted. Now it's getting printed here. When done, you just cut it like this. Very easy. Now you have your report paper. Let's put this aside for a second. If you want to change anything here else, you can change, for example, we went over mode for the printing. You can press the 1 millivolt. This makes calibration, like recalibrates the beat, if you would like. Now it's calibrated. Print does the printing, on or off, to turn on or turn off the device. This changes the game, sense, changes the gain, as you can see. Speed changes the speed. Filter adds filter. If I want to change it, will be shown here, but we are on demo mode. So let's get off demo mode so you can see which filters we are talking about. Go to sample, demo mode, off. Press menu again. Now we're off the demo mode. You see this filter is available. When we press filter here, this is the AC filter only. This is EMG filter only. This is both. This is DFT only. And AC plus DFT, or EMG plus DFT, or all 3, or off. So we have 3 filters and all of their options are available. This is to ensure that we have the best ECG possible, the best reading, best signal possible. If it needs filtering, we have all sorts of filters ready to capture it. And that's it. When we are done, all we do is press the hold power button, and it closes. This is the device. Now to go over the accessories. This is the accessories we have. We have the clamps. We have the paper which is inside now over here in this rack. These are the pumps, the leads, the power cable, and of course, we have the ground as well, and our user manual here. Thank you very much for your time. This was Engineer Mohamed, and I hope you all will.